Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Luri from Dice University, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at why you shouldn't use the Wix to create your affiliate page, guys. It's going to be a really interesting topic, so stay tuned until the end of the video. But before we get to today's video, please support us by hitting the subscribe button and the like button if you like the video, definitely, as well as the bell notification so that we can keep creating great content for everybody, guys. So are you ready? Let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use Wix for your affiliate page. Most of you have surely heard about what is Wix, right? I mean, if you go to YouTube, you should see a Wix ad, right? I know it's annoying, but then Wix is very popular. That's why they actually do all these kind of ads. They're actually very famous. If you compare like one of the best website builder, one of the best landing page builder, Wix would be there. But what we are going to talk about is why you shouldn't use Wix specifically for your affiliate page. And let's begin, guys. So the first reason why you should not use the Wix is because the starter plan does not remove any ads from the site. If you take a look at the Wix starter plan, you would know that the Wix starter plan does not remove any Wix ad from it. That means if you're using the initial plan, I think $26 per month, I'm not so sure, but they do have a 50% discount right now. The time that I'm talking right now, they do have a 50% discount. But if you're using this starter plan, it will have the Wix ads within your particular landing page, and this is very bad in the terms of you are actually inviting a person from your ad. You made an ad, the ad is good, then the person look at the ad, he clicks on the ad, it brings you to the landing page, and in the landing page there is actually a Wix ad. And this is bad, guys, because the person would actually hate to see an ad because he just came from seeing another ad, which is your ad, and then he managed to pass through your ad, and then he comes to your landing page and he sees another ad. That is really bad. We don't want that at all. And then one of the reasons that why you should not use Wix, if you use a different plan like a starter other than starter plan, you can use it and the ads won't be there, but then the price will increase definitely. So when the price increase, it becomes more expensive. So these reasons and the expensive reason is actually correlated, because some of them might ask me, hey, if the starter plan does not remove ads, then I'm going to use something different from the starter plan, but then you're going to pay more. So the second reason why you should not use Wix is because the template cannot be changed easily. Of course, Wix has awesome templates. I will not deny it. I would even say that the Wix template is one of the best templates out there, which I've seen from different page builders. I personally think that the Wix has one of the best templates out there when it comes to the page builder. But when you want to customize this template into your affiliate page, it's not that easy to be done. It's almost very impossible. It can be done, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of work, guys. So this is something that I personally think Wix does to actually keep their branding, and this is something that they will definitely not change, because their branding is such where they do not use other templates. They make it look like their template is the one that stands out. Then definitely the template stands out, but it cannot be customized, which is a little bit bad if you want to use it for your affiliate page. The third reason is that the free plan forces Wix branding. If you talk about pricing, right, and if you talk about starter plan, there is also a free plan available for Wix, but this free plan does not allow any what remove or watermark. That's what I would say. Like for example, if you use the Wix free plan and the Wix free domain, first thing, your domain will look very bad. And even if you like purchase another domain and you linked it with your free plan of Wix, the Wix branding, the Wix watermark would be there still. And I am not saying that this is bad, in the terms of like, if somebody comes and see and he sees that, okay, this is a Wix website, okay, it's okay, fine. But then when you are trying to scale up your ads, when you're trying to do something big, there's a big volume of people coming, the Wix branding will actually, how do I say, bring your particular campaign down. It will damage your campaign, and that's one of the reasons why we should not use Wix. If you want to opt in into a different plan and use Wix, yes, you could, and then comes back the costing and the expensive part again. So the next reason why you should not use Wix, the next reason why you should not use Wix is because it is not perfect for a large website. If you are building a short website, guys, then it's okay. But then if you are catering a lot of users, you are catering huge amount, which you will definitely do if you found your winning campaign. If you apply the call-in, for example, let's say you're running sweepstakes and then you apply Collins 3-day rule, and then you found a winner already. Now you want to scale that winner, so you're bringing in a lot of audience inside it. And when you're bringing in a lot of audience, it will become a very highly populated website or a highly populated page. And when it's a highly populated page, Wix is not the ideal person to you, for you to actually go ahead and look at, because with Wix, they are usually for normal product pages. I'm not saying that big huge brands does not use Wix. They do use Wix, but they have a much more customized plan or much more expensive plan with Wix. If you are going with a starter plan or you're going with a free plan, which I would highly recommend, if you're using Wix, which is the starter plan or the free plan, this is very bad for large audience, guys. So you have to take this into consideration. Final reason why you should not use Wix is because this is not SEO friendly, especially if you're using Wix personal domain. Sorry, Wix given domain. Same thing, guys. Wix personal domain is the same thing. So if you're using Wix personal domain, you're not having your own custom domain, it's bad for SEO. You might be thinking, hey, I just want to run ads, guys. Why do I care about SEO? Okay, you're running ads, definitely. I'm not saying that don't run ads. When you run ads, you would know that running ads will definitely contribute to your SEO, because a lot of people will be coming from to your website, to your landing page via traffic, right? So traffic increase, your rating, your SEO will increase as well. But with Wix, especially with their custom, with their normal domain, with their pre-domain, the SEO friendliness is very bad. As well as, I won't even go specific on SEO friendliness. I would say that they are not even customer friendly. Even if the customer take a look at your landing page and they saw the wix.com, something like that there, it's actually very bad for your branding. Because you, as a particular affiliate marketer, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your landing page or your affiliate page is almost the same with your offer page, right? You don't want it to differ a lot. That is why you need something which has the customer friendliness or the SEO friendliness. And by using Wix pre-planned domain, you will not have these features available. So that's basically one of the major reasons why we should not use Wix to create a landing page, and more specifically to create an affiliate page. So if you don't use Wix, then what shall we use? You can definitely use a brand new software which was launched just recently called the Landerize. There's few reasons why I like the Landerize, but before that, let me just explain a little bit about Landerize. And you can also go ahead and check out Landerize. I've actually put the link to the Landerize in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out yourself. So basically, Landerize is a brand new software landing page builder which was released just recently. They have drag and drop usage where it's very simplified for you to go ahead and build your website. They have over 50 templates already, and this is something that I'm pretty sure that they are going to increase very soon because they just launched, guys. But the thing that I like about the Landerize main thing is because before we talk about that, the Landerize can also be integrated with external tracker very easily, guys. Like for example, if you're using volume, you're using binom, you're using rate track or anything, it can be integrated into your external software very easily, and that's what I like about them. But the major reason that I like them is two big reasons. First reason is that with the Landerize is something which where you can actually build your landing page, and then you can go ahead and upload that particular landing page within your Amazon S3. When you upload something in Amazon S3, your loading speed will increase, and if you are a seasoned affiliate marketer, you would know that your landing page or your affiliate page loading speed actually is very important. It will definitely increase your click-through rate as well as your conversion rate. So we want that speed, right? So end of the day, whatever you do, you want a high CTR and a high CR, right? That's the main purpose of running all these affiliate campaigns, right? And the loading of that particular landing page can contribute mass amount of effect towards this particular objective of yours. And also with Landerize, the highlight of Landerize is that it's actually built specifically for you to create an affiliate page, which means their target audience is actually affiliate marketers. Why I like this is because I personally have tried a lot of landing page builder, and sometimes I think to myself, why can't they think in the perspective of an affiliate marketer? Why can't they do this for me? Why can't they do that for me? Because no, usually people who actually create this landing page builders, they usually focus more on product marketing. They focus more on sales funnels because this is where the big money is. But then they don't focus a lot on affiliate page and affiliate marketers. But Landerize was built specially by affiliates for affiliate marketers. It was built by a super affiliate, and so that they can actually cater for affiliate marketers, which means that particular affiliate marketer who actually build this particular Landerize software think the same angle as you and me, guys. And that's what I like a lot about Landerize. And I think that's they're very specific in their targeting. They target affiliate marketer, which makes them rock, guys. And also, guys, if you go into Landerize, like I told you before, the link is in the description. Definitely go ahead and check it out, guys. You will never regret. If you go ahead and check out Landerize, you can actually create your landing page within minutes. Personally, I took less than 4 minutes to create my landing page, guys. But if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, you could take somewhere around 10 minutes to create your landing page. But then you can create a highly optimized landing page within minutes. It's so simple to use, it's so easy to use. Do check it out, guys. I think that's the end of today's video, guys. Thanks again for watching today's video. Before I leave, please support us by hitting the subscribe button as well as the like button if you like this video, definitely, and the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming contents, everybody. Thanks again for watching. This is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.